All right, so this is problem number 7 in exponential graph shift, and this is we're discovering the b value. So this is a scenario where b is less than 1. b has to be either it has to be greater than 0. So it has to be greater than 0. B can never be 0. If b is 0, you don't have an exponential. B can be greater than 0, b cannot be negative, but it's weird. B acts really strange from, let's say, a number greater than 0 but less than 1. It acts really strange. But then once it gets greater than 1, it acts normal. So from like 1, say 1 to 50 million or whatever, infinity, it's going to act the same way. But in between 0 and 1, B acts weird. So that's what we're going to figure out now. So it gave us an A value of -3, a B value of 0.9, and a C value of -6. And it says B is going to be decreasing. And remember I said B cannot go into negative. You can't have, B cannot be negative. If it's negative, you don't have an exponential. So in Desmos, I'm going to start with what I was given. So y equals, and then the A value is -3. That's my starting point. My B value is 0.9 to the x power. And then I got -3. So this is my original. So I'm going to copy this one again because I'm feeling a little bit lazy and I don't feel like typing it all out. So I'm pasting it in. So this is my original. This is my new one. And it said the B value is decreasing. And remember, B cannot be 0. So I need a number that's smaller than 0.9. A number that's smaller than 0.9, let's make it 0.4. And when you see it, it was already, the original was already a curve. This is just a curve that's now steeper. So as it gets smaller, it's getting steeper. So if I make this, I don't know, 0.1, it's really steep. It makes it look like a cliff, but it's actually a curve. This one is clearly a curve. This one is just a sharp curve. So when you see that, so when B is in between 0 and 1 and it decreases, it becomes a steep curve. It steepens when it's between 0 and 1. It steepens.